Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, karibu sana. My name is Happinessmajoni, and if you're a returning subscriber, you know the love I got for you. So today is just today, and on today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make this beautiful house decor sunburst with items in your house. If you're interested, keep watching. Things you will need for this project: you need a glue gun and a glue stick, spray paint, any color of your choice. I prefer gold. You're also going to need a foam board, carton box, any type. I got this cake holder from a shop in Mombasa town called as Nawal. You can use the silver side or the plain side and spray paint with the color of your choice. You also need a mirror. You also need spoons. These are plastic spoons. I was not able to get the spoons in white or clear, so this is what I got. They are 50 pieces in a pack, and these are called fruit picks. They are used for eating fruits. I'm not sure where I'm going to use this, but if I do, you'll see that in the project. I am going to be drawing an outline around the circular mirror and put the mirror aside, and then I'm going to be working on the space between the frame of the cardboard and the space between the frame and the outline that I have just drawn. So here I'm going to be using my preferred technique to decorate. After I was done with sticking everything, I decided to cut 7 spoons to fill in the space into these small looking spoons. There are my 7 pieces, and I'm going to be putting them round where there are spaces and I need it to be filled a little bit more. this is what it looks like, and now it's time to spray paint it. This is the final outcome, guys. I am so happy. I am so excited. This looks so good. I love. I just put this next to the door to the bathroom, and I really love it. If you like this video, guys, you know what to do. Leave a comment, like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video. I'm going to be doing DIYs. I know it's been a while, but we are back on track. Thank you guys so much for watching. Always remember to work hard, stay humble, and be disciplined. See you in my next one. Bye.